What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn 2 YouTube codes that are secrets and can help you every single day, okay? But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. The first one is quite simple but can be very useful, and it's about search. Imagine that you want to search rock music, okay? But YouTube search, it's quite strange. The YouTube engine of search, it's quite strange. It's recommending only shorts. I don't like it. So how to fix it? Before the text you want to search, you're gonna type before two dots and the year, for example 2015. Now type enter, and you only gonna be able to see videos before 2015, okay? It's very useful in the case that you are looking for old music, to old videos, to something of your interest, okay? Now another tip that is very useful. Let me go back to my channel. Imagine that you have a long video that you would like to share with some person, okay? And you'd like to share into this part. If you are on the computer, it's quite easy. You can click with the right button of your mouse over the video, and you can copy video at the current time, okay? Simple, right? But imagine that you don't have this option, don't have a mouse, you are on a mobile. You have to copy the video URL, so click on search, click on share, copy the video URL. Now, after the end of the video link, you're gonna type E, just like this, T equal, then for example 10 minutes. Now, if someone clicks on this link, it's gonna be redirected to this video at 10 minutes. As you can see, 10 minutes. Simple, right? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below, and feel free to share another YouTube code that you have and you know that it can help us, okay? See you guys tomorrow. All the best.